What if your money could make more money while you sleep, travel, or relax? In 2025, passive income isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. But with so many gimmicks out there, which income streams actually work? In this video, I'll reveal 5 real passive income ideas that are working right now, even for beginners. 1. High-yield savings and CD laddering. Let's start simple, with something that takes zero effort. In 2025, online banks are offering high-yield savings accounts with interest rates above 5%. That means your cash is growing daily with absolutely no risk. Take it further with CD laddering, which means splitting your money across multiple certificates of deposit that mature at different times. This way, you get both higher returns and flexible access to your money. It's boring, but it works, and it's 100% passive. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Forget about saving for a down payment. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Arrived Homes let you invest in rental properties with as little as $10. These platforms buy, manage, and rent out properties, while you collect a share of the rental income and property appreciation. It's real estate income without the landlord headaches. In 2025, as rental demand grows, this strategy is becoming even more profitable. 3. Selling digital products. Have knowledge or creativity? Turn it into income. You can create an ebook, course, Notion template, or even a Canva design. Then sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. Create it once and let it earn for you forever. In 2025, more people than ever are looking for downloadable tools that save them time or help them grow. Digital products have unlimited scale and massive income potential. 4. Dividend-paying ETFs. Want a passive income stream from the stock market without the stress of picking stocks? Enter dividend-paying ETFs. These are collections of top-performing companies that pay you quarterly just for owning the shares. ETFs like SHD and VYM are investor favorites in 2025 because they're low-cost, diversified, and pay solid dividends. Reinvest those earnings and you're compounding your way to serious wealth. 5. AI tool subscriptions. This is where the future meets finance. Thanks to no-code platforms like Glide and Bubble, you can build a simple AI-powered tool, like a writing prompt generator or a budgeting calculator, and charge a monthly fee for access. Thousands of solo creators are doing this right now, earning $500, $1,000, even $5,000 per month in subscription income. If you find a niche and solve a real problem, this can be one of the most scalable passive income ideas of the decade. Let's quickly recap the 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. High-yield savings and CD laddering. Real estate crowdfunding. Selling digital products. Dividend-paying ETFs. AI tool subscriptions. These aren't just trends, they're proven paths to wealth. The key is to start now, stay consistent, and build momentum over time. Drop a comment below. Which idea are you most excited to try? Like the video if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart finance tips.